Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone are surviving well. Today I swung into the Dollar Tree, and I don't see too many people making Dollar Tree videos anymore, understandably, because the prices have just gone through the roof. But I was able to find some pretty decent deals inside, and I wanted to show them off to you. First of all, I found these 7-day pill organizers, and I'm getting to that age where I need pills, and well, I thought this might be a great option. I really only need one because I want to be able to carry a spare set of pills with me. Throw one of these in my backpack, and I'll have my morning pills and my night pills just in case I end up not being able to get home for a night. Next item that I found were these alcohol swabs, which I've seen these online on YouTube's, but never actually seen them in person. I love how they're individually wrapped. Yellow, let's see, snap the yellow tip and release liquid at the opposite cotton tip. A 70% isopropyl alcohol filled swab helps prevent the risk of infection in minor combat. 15 swabs. We have one of my favorites, the liquid skin Crocs lighter. I needed a new one. Now I did notice that you can get the butane for these, so you don't have to throw them out. But I thought it was about time for a new one. We have the lubricant eye drops. Mind you, all this stuff here was $1.50 or less. And then the shining star of this whole thing, the first aid adhesive band-aids from Red Cross. And I grabbed this because the tin, very similar in size to an Altoids tin. And what I'm going to do is take some of these out. Holy crap, there's a lot of them. There's 30 of these in there. Take half of them out. There's a lot left here. I'm going to take the eye drops. Throw a couple of those in there. And throw a couple of those in there. I think 2 is enough, don't you? It's going to be side style. And then the liquid bandage. Liquid bandage, liquid skin. Throw that in there. And we have a very inexpensive boo-boo kit. I hate calling them a boo-boo kit, but that's what we have. It's nothing serious, but it's an awesome little kit for just under $5, or around $5, right? So there you have it, the American Red Cross tin of Band-Aids from the Dollar Tree, along with the alcohol swabs, the liquid skin, and eye drops. So there are still deals to be found at the Dollar Tree, so make sure you don't count them out. And I love these Croc lighters. They are all metal lighter, and they're a torch. So anyways, I want to thank you for stopping and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you want to help support this channel, the best thing you can do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below. And as always, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time.